This
before
conference
that,
will now be recorded.
Anand sir, just before he
Yeah, sure,
starts,
sure, sure,
so sir, since he's a family, so please take excellent care and
sure.
just guide him from how to build a career from this digital marketing perspective. So Anirudh, now you take it forward and share about your expectation and how we can take it and start the program.
Oh, yes, sir. So, hi, sir. I'm Anirudh, and as I spoke with Mr. Ashish, I told him about my background and everything, and there was a slight mistake that he made while mentioning my degree. I did liberal
Okay,
arts and humanities, and my major was international business in that.
okay,
Uh, and yeah, for the past 3-4 months, I've been working with my father. I've been learning how to trade in the stock market, and apart from that, he takes classes about the same technical analysis. So we did some promotions on Twitter and YouTube to get students for him, and that's what I was doing for the past 2-3 months. And that is like I had interest in marketing before that, but I did a little bit of marketing for him, and it was on a personal level. So I think like that's why it interested me more after that, and I wanted to do a course like this because to get a basic understanding of what I'll be getting into, as Ashish sir explained it to me as digital marketing, and the next step would be data analytics. And that also sounded interesting. And after reading the course manual, I saw what exactly we'll be learning in data analytics also. So, yeah, it is interesting. And
okay.
I'm looking
Great
forward
to
to
hear that.
learning. Yeah.
Yeah. So, so basically, you have done some HTML or any development like PHP or something. Have you done earlier?
No, sir.
You have understanding about HTML, little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I did a basic course on HTML, but that was in high school, I think.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's great. So, so you have done in humanity, right? Graduation.
Yes,
From where
sir.
you did? From Delhi? From Delhi.
Sir, OP Jindal College, it's in Sonipat, outskirts of Delhi.
Okay. Okay, outskirts of that. Great. So, just like you mentioned that you have done Twitter and also, uh, uh, what exactly you had used some video or something like that, or
Yes, sir. I edited videos on my laptop on the
okay,
iMovie software.
okay,
And because Twitter has a rule of, until you have a verified account, you can only upload
okay,
videos which are 2 minute 20 seconds
okay,
long.
okay,
So, like, out of the classes that we had, classes were obviously held for like 2 hours or 3 hours. So, out of those
okay.
2-3 hours, I had to get content of like 2 minute 20 seconds, which can attract people and, you know, make more people
Mm-hmm.
join our class.
Okay, sounds good. So, do you have any idea about digital marketing, what exactly it is? And so you told like you want to help your father and all with this.
Yes.
So that is a good idea. I think that is a very good initiative. So, uh, about let's in my classes, you will be the presenter, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, reason is that practicing is very important because since you have to get familiar with HTML and this is what I got when you were talking. So I got this feedback like you need more technical abilities in HTML because when we are doing digital marketing, little bit of HTML is required, not
Okay.
extensive, but at least a basic knowledge. Reason is that
Mm-hmm.
it is a lot of on-page work is required. So uh, I'll just brief you about myself because I've been into this industry for more than 12 years. So I started my career as SEO. So in and previously I was working as a web developer. So
Okay.
having worked in web development, I was easily able to grasp into SEO because SEO is more about on-page work and
Mm-hmm.
doing something HTML corrections and all. So when you are working in a startup, so it is not you are not easily accessible to a developer, designer. So there are few things which you have to do it on yourself, right?
Mhm.
So
Yes.
that way you're able to manage efficiently, because in larger organization they have very different departments like web development, designer, graphic designer, content writer, and everyone has a team. But when you're working in a startup or organization, so you have to do it on your own, at least 10 to 20%. It's not that you have to develop the whole website, but at least you should have a knowledge, and if little bit of editing is required. So that part I was able to do it. And then I worked in WSI, which is the world's largest digital marketing agency.
Okay.
So over there, I was handling like $80,000 of budget for Google AdWords per month. So that is roughly around 60 lakhs. And now the problem was running 60 lakh means you have to spend all the amount of 60 lakh. So that is not very easy, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So I think you would have seen one Nasruddin Shah film where he had to spend crores of rupees, but money used to come back. But that was a very
Oh
old
yes.
movie.
It's a very old film. Like
Yeah,
he is
yeah.
not too. Yeah, 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 I've seen that
Yeah,
movie.
yeah. So when you are running a very big budget, so it is same thing. You have to spend that money, because in larger organization, what happens that they will allocate the budget like 2 crores for Google ads, 1 crore for social media ads. So if
Mm-hmm.
you are not able to spend, that means you have not done the budgeting right, because you are not able to spend. So it is very important to spend that. So
Yes, sir.
plus, when you spend, you have to get the results also, because return on investment part is there. So it's not that you spend 2 crores but you got nothing. So that is a
Yes.
very, when you're spending 2 crores, at least you have to make 5 crores, 6 crores, so that return on investment part is there. Sure.
Yes, sir.
So, and after that, I have worked for social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing. So I'll give you access also, so you can have, and referral marketing, exactly how to measure that. And so in digital marketing, over the years, everything has got very specialized. So everything makes sense, like social media and and SEO, Google Ads. Nowadays, each marketing channel has different department also, but in smaller organization, everything is managed by 2 to 3 people or 4 people. But in larger organization, they have 50 to 60 people working on different platforms. And
Yes.
education wise, I have done MBA electronic business, so that is related to e-commerce. I've done my mass
Mm-hmm.
communication. Reason was that nowadays social media is more of mass com, so I did that. And I've also done like MTech and MSCIT, So reason was that industry is changing a lot, and so you must have
Mm-hmm.
a deep knowledge, because when you're working organization, then when they're giving you like or even a small amount like $300, that is roughly around
Mm-hmm.
like 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. So it is your responsibility, because that person has trusted you. Uh, he has trusted you, so he's giving you money so that you are able to grow his business. But if you
Yes, sir.
do not have technical expertise in to different segments, so you might lose his money. So reason is
Mm-hmm.
that you are the driver of his business, and if the driver doesn't know the way, he will take the wrong way. So time is wasted, plus money is wasted, so everything is wasted, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is very important. So even if you don't know anything, it is very important you tell frankly that I don't know, because that is more important. If you don't know, you're not wasting his time and resources. But if you are working in that direction and moving ahead, and then time and resources are wasted. So that is very important in digital marketing. So because digital marketing is very vast, so you can always choose a stream.
Yes, sir.
So it is very easy. So it is not, don't get scared. Like a lot of HTML is there, that is there. So like on page is there, off page is there, and Google Ads are there, and other platforms are there. So a person is able to choose the level according to his expertise, knowledge. and experience. So that is very
Yes.
important.
Hmm.
So now what you can do is, you told that you want to help your parents, right,
Yeah,
in
I mean,
running their
it's a
business.
start like for learning, it'll be a nice opportunity. Like I'll be able to help him as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Hmm.
what is your future goal? You want to help him, or you want to have your own
I
career
mean,
or
sir, it's
something?
not like he's going to be taking these classes forever. Like, I'm sure he will also
Mm.
get tired of teaching, like,
Okay.
because this is
Yeah.
not something that he has done before. Also, like, teaching is something new to him.
Mm.
Like, our ultimate goal was, to him writing a book and then, selling the book. But to sell a book, you need to get a little bit of, recognition for yourself because nobody's going to buy it otherwise.
Okay. So,
So for that reason, he started taking these classes. Like it's a start towards, which is going towards that step only. But
okay.
marketing interests me. That's why I wanted to do this course. And like everything is digital right now. So
So
hello.
sounds good because even if you see today's time during COVID and all, so there has been major change in the mindset of the people. Now they are more
Yes.
interested in online because reason is that first of all they want to be safe. Second,
Mm,
they know that online nowadays are uh, very safe to do transactions and all, and
yes.
even getting the stuffs and all is not that much tough. And
Mm,
even if you would have talked around 1 year earlier to people that let's work from home,
mm,
the company would have told, listen, you stay in your home, we don't want you. But
yeah.
right now, if you see the current situation that people are working from. So
Yes.
that is good. So what I'll do, I will just make you a presenter. So you can just share with me the Twitter. And do you have a website also?
No, sir. We have a Facebook page or a Twitter page. Like not exactly
Okay.
a website.
So doesn't matter. So what you can do is you can purchase a domain. It will cost you around
Okay.
400 to 500 rupees. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe for the next class, and you can purchase a hosting also. So
Okay.
with that, you can make your own website also. So that will be good because even if you do online on the Facebook and other stuffs and all, and even if you try to sell anything, but if you do
Mm-hmm.
not have website, so that doesn't give a authenticity for your business, right? Because
Yes, sir.
having a website means that you are more serious in doing business. Plus, you have a platform for showing each and every feature because in Facebook it is not possible for
Yeah.
adding the features and videos. So you can add almost everything. So that will make easier for people to know because awareness part. Plus, it will also create authenticity. So people will, for example, if they're purchasing 5 products from the Facebook or purchasing book, but
Mm-hmm.
after you have a website, maybe they'll purchase 50 because now they know that this is a website address. People are very serious, and you will start getting inquiries, maybe chat also. So that will make
Yes.
extra step. So yeah, plus second thing will be there also that you'll be also getting to learn exactly how to use uh, digital marketing platforms on different medias and all. So and plus for SEO work and all, it is very important that you must have a website. And if you don't have a website, at least you should have a blog. So two things are very important because these things belong to you,
Mm.
right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, even if you are very good in Twitter or YouTube, but at least if you have a website, so it gives a different. So right now I'll just make you a presenter, okay? So you can
Mm.
share with me whatever work you have done in Twitter, and so I can guide you after that. And
Mm.
we'll do some blog creation also. So
Okay.
for that we can create one new Gmail ID. So that you can do. So I'm just making a presenter right now. So now you can share your screen and all.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, is my screen visible, sir?
It was visible earlier. I think it disappeared, right?
Okay. Okay, do you see it
Yeah,
now?
not is visible.
So should I open Twitter or should I show you the video that I've edited and
Uh,
everything? Like
you
how
show everything, whatever you created, so we can know exactly. So that we'll just have a foundation exactly where to start.
Yes, sir, okay. So this is basically the page that we started. It
Okay.
went up to 3,000 followers, but like now they've
Mm.
started to go down.
Okay.
Yeah. So daily we post charts or like pictures like this, which help people understand and like do a little bit of technical analysis. And since I've been doing this for the last 3 months, and I have to watch every video like multiple times because it's a 2-3 hour video and taking out a good 2-3 minutes
Mm.
out of it. So it got me interested into stock market as well, and I've been learning to trade
Okay.
and do investments from my dad as well. So we haven't uploaded some videos in a while. It's been a while. I'll
Okay.
just I'll just show you some videos from my movies. I mean, this could be just an example to you because
Okay.
so should I play this video?
Let's play it. I think that will. So you made
Yeah.
this video on your own. Okay,
Yeah, I
that's
mean,
great.
my dad gave me the audio for it.
Okay. Okay.
Like, that's my dad.
Okay. Great.
Can you hear it?
I think audio is not coming.
Okay. I mean, I don't know how that works, but I have some videos
Doesn't
saved,
matter.
so I'll show you one to give you an example. Yeah, I can't hear this one also. I think
Okay.
some voice
I
problem
think,
is there.
yeah, maybe.
But yeah, like basically it's editing a lot of videos and like watching a lot of content.
Okay.
And
So that's great. So I saw that you have made in Twitter and all. So you are using also YouTube or just Twitter?
yeah, we have YouTube also because Twitter you can only, as I told you, you can only
Mm,
upload a 2 minute video, and
mm,
sometimes you need
mm.
to upload a longer video as well.
So you're
So
using YouTube also. That's good.
yeah, yeah.
So okay. So did you get any inquiries from that? Or
Did we get any? I didn't get you, so sorry.
I'm saying, did you get some inquiries or some sale from that?
Yeah, sir, we got around 30 to 40 students, and we took 3 batches
Acha,
in the last
that's
four
great.
months. Yeah,
From the Twitter?
yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Like we sent out a Google form, and people filled it, and the people who filled it, we took them for the classes.
Okay,
So yeah, it was a whole process.
it was good. Okay, so can you open the Chrome again? So I'll just brief you. So you know exactly how the search engine works and all?
I mean, not
This,
exactly. I have an idea, but yeah.
So what you do is you open Google.com, or and you search for that same courses, whatever you have for stock market.
Okay.
So on the top, if you'll see, it is all ads. Ad is written, right?
Yeah.
And if you go bottom, so you will see now the ad section is gone. Now it is that
Yeah.
organic results.
Yes, sir.
So in whenever you see in SEO as Google, there are two sections. Top one is for the ads, which
Mm-hmm.
Google Ads runs. So people who are want faster result, and so they use Google Ads. So
Yeah.
what happens is that ad will be running on the top. This is below
Mm-hmm.
one is the free one, which is through the Google algorithm. So SEO part comes on this. Then third part you'll see there's a videos also from the YouTube and other channels.
Yes, sir.
And if you will scroll down and to the last, okay. So now search related to technical courses. So there are people who are also searching for other terms like technical courses in India, technical courses, free technical courses in Delhi, free
Yes.
download in Hindi. And so
Mhm.
reason is that Google is very Google exactly knows from which region, like in Delhi, in Ghaziabad, or Mumbai, what terms people will be typing. So
Mhm.
reason you see Delhi is because you are located in Delhi. So Google
Mhm.
will track. If you see your IP address below, it is written Gurugram, Haryana,
Yes, sir.
and your PIN code. So now Google knows exactly precisely you are in Gurugram, so you are able to travel in Delhi, right?
Yeah.
So it
Mhm.
will be showing you everything related with your area. So if you will go into Mumbai, so if you will see the bottom part, it will be right. It will be written technical analysis course in Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
If you go to Goa, so that means everything is localized, and behind this there is no person doing. It is all
Mm.
software.
Okay, it's like an algorithm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you don't nobody no customer care department is sitting in Google to show
Yeah, it's
you.
not like they
Yeah.
can put up an individual person for every search. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So it will be very hectic work, and there will be a lot of employment. But
Yeah.
but since they have software, so and nothing is taken care by human, so everything is
Mhm.
very uh, technical, very software. So what people do is people misuse sometimes
Mhm.
using these keywords. They try to rank it on the top, but that is not a correct procedure because every time Google is also updating its software. So what
Mhm.
it does is whenever it finds that you are trying to take or something, so it will just blacklist your website and it will be from first page to last page.
So is it
So
like clickbaiting people?
uh, yeah. So
Hmm.
can you just hold for 1 minute? I'll just
Yeah, yeah, sure.
yeah, sure. Yeah, sorry. So I was just saying that it is all program and everything is technical. So ranking in Google is not that tough and not that easy also, right?
Hmm.
So it
Yes, sir.
requires a lot of technical skills. So you're able to rank on the first page. Ranking on the first page means getting free traffic to your
Hmm.
website. People coming, getting a brand awareness. People are aware about it. If people like, then they'll be filling form or purchasing. So every
Yes,
action
sir.
is being taken care of. So this
Yes.
is a basic. So like that, this is the only search engine. So are you aware about other search engine also other than Google?
I mean, I don't use them, but yeah, like I've heard of some.
Can you name them?
अभी तो ऐसे याद नहीं आ रहा सर,
अच्छा.
but
Okay. So they when
binge करके था शायद भी. Yes sir.
okay. So when they had started, so that time Google was there, Bing was there, Yahoo was there. There were a lot of
Hmm.
players, you know. So because that time very less software requirement was there, so anybody could make a crawler and it could crawl and store in the database, and then when people used to search, then it used to show their website. But
Yeah.
nowadays it is so much technical and so much servers are required because every day millions of websites get created,
Yes sir.
and every week millions of websites get deleted also. So
Mm-hmm.
it is very difficult to keep track of all the database of all the website which are live and which website which are not live. So not all the people could bear the cost. So most of the like Yahoo dropped out. So very big players like Google and Bing are the major ones. Otherwise, there are smaller ones also like Dogpile and other. So you
Mm-hmm.
can write on the Google top top 5 search engine. Now click on the first one. Yeah,
This one.
yeah, sure. Now you can click below that. Now second number you see it is Bing. So
Yeah.
it is your homework. It is your homework, and that you have to go to the all the top search engine and use
Okay.
that same keyword. Same. You know what is keyword? Keyword
Yeah, I know
was the
what.
word which yeah, which you had typed in that Google. It is called as keyword. And the
Mm-hmm.
bottom one, which I had showed you with 10 different types of words, that was different type of keyword which people type. So your job will be, homework will be to go to all these top search engine like Google, Bing, and then you can just do scroll down.
Yes sir.
Can you just scroll down little more? Baidu, this is in China.
Yeah,
So in
Baidu is
China,
the.
Google, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
because
because
Google is
Google is
banned from there.
banned.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
I read about.
okay. So you can read also about them. So it good to know that.
Mm-hmm. I think Russia also has the same thing.
Yahoo search is basically they have collaboration with Bing. Earlier they used to
Okay.
have done. Now they have
Mm-hmm.
collaboration with Bing. So they're using Bing platform, but results are little different.
Mm. Yeah,
This is
Yandex,
Russian
like,
one you have to know.
yeah.
So you have been to Russia? No.
No, sir, I haven't been, but
No. Okay. Okay.
some of my friends went there for a trip, and like
Okay.
when they came back, this was one of the things that they told me that, we can't
Yeah.
use Google over
Yeah. Yeah.
there.
This is ask.
So this is the anonymous sort of thing, right?
Yeah. These all were the search engine which had started with Google only. So
Okay.
that time, so some of them survived, some of them didn't survive. So at least this is the survival list of all the people
Mm-hmm.
till now.
Yes, sir.
Like this, that. Oh. So they have used different techniques to survive against Google. So still they are.
Yeah, I mean they're adapting to things that like people have a problem with Google. Like people say that
Yeah.
Google is using too much of our information, or like they have too much of our information.
Yes. So they
DuckDuckGo
know
is saying
exactly.
that,
Yeah, even if you travel with your mobile, they know that which is the person you visited.
yeah.
So if
So
you will
like,
see your travel history, you will see that in review section, did you like this restaurant? Did you like this hotel? Did you
yeah, yeah,
like this?
exactly.
Yeah.
And like apart from that, like I met with a few people, like on this Diwali, I met a few new people. Like I haven't seen them before or anything, but like when I come back on social media, I can see them everywhere, like a friend suggestion or like, you know,
Hmm.
so like it is probably because like they connect, like they saw it in the location that, our phones were together and then they were suggesting the person in my friend list or whatever.
Because they also know that, for example, if you are looking for purchasing mobile, so you'll be searching
Yeah.
on the Google, so they will know that you are the person who is going to purchase. So they will be running that same ad of mobile every time. So
Yeah.
maybe after some time you'll be
Yes, sir.
running ad for, you'll be searching for, maybe you want to change your car. So you'll be searching for some car
Mm-hmm.
also. So every time you will go to YouTube, you'll see different types of cars. Every time
Yes,
you'll go
sir.
to Times of India, you will see different ads. So everything till
Yeah,
you
I mean,
purchase,
like,
you'll be seeing that.
mm-hmm.
So that is the
They
level,
have.
like now, yeah. So now they have AOL search. So these are very old search engines. They are very good. One
Okay.
is Dogpile is there. So
Yeah.
now you have a rough idea exactly. So market share, see,
Yeah.
93% is Google, 3.5 Baidu, then 1.4 Yahoo, 0.8 Bing,
Yes, sir.
so on. So everyone has their market share. So it is not that nobody is searching on that. So maybe they have their AOL is there, Ask is there. Even though 0.06% might sound very less, but
Mm-hmm.
if you will calculate with the population of US and India, and also it will be a huge number, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is a technology field. So you never know, one day maybe AOL or Ask will be better than Google.
Yeah.
Or
Someday
maybe
maybe.
after, yeah, maybe after 4 years, things might change.
Mhm.
So you never know. Maybe this search engine will be much better than Google. So that,
Yeah.
because this is a technological field, so nobody can predict. So, like for example, nowadays we have in the car like Alexa and all. So if you
Yeah.
will tell, so the people are using voice as a keyword. So that industry is very different. So now everyone is after that, like Amazon, even Google is using voice search assistants and all, because while
Yes.
people are driving, they are not able to type or something like that. So at least, so something is evolving again. So maybe after few years, we'll be seeing something different and all. So
Mm-hmm.
at present, your what I will be doing is I'll be giving you one homework. So you have to find top search engine.
Yeah.
So which you have already done. You have to use that. You have to find top 9 keywords for your technical courses, the one you
Okay.
were talking about, okay? And
Okay.
you have to use those top 9 keyword for technical courses in different, in top search engine.
Okay.
So, and you have to check the results, what they are showing.
Okay.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So and for Google, you have to find uh, 9 types of Google. So like they have different version. Like for Google, for India is google.co.in. If
Yeah.
you go to US, it will be .com, and if you go to
Mm-hmm.
UK, it will be .co.uk. So at least you find top 9 types of Google, so different countries.
Okay.
So
So
this
like
this is
usage wise, who uses it the most?
no not uses Google. You can find like if you go to UAE, so maybe
Mm-hmm.
you can find for 9 countries different type
Okay.
of Google. So
Okay.
Google is
Okay.
yeah. So in that way you will be learning. So you can also put that keywords uh, in different that same technical one in different
Okay.
like google.com, then
Yeah.
google.co.uk.
Yeah.
So that way you'll be learning exactly how demographics are working and all. So these guys have now AI software installed in Google. So they are able
Yes, sir.
to see exactly what is how your age group. They also know your age also,
Yeah.
your name also, because since you're using Chrome or maybe you have logged in Google Gmail and all, so they have your telephone number, they have your age, they know your location, everything. So
Mm-hmm.
virtually they know everything. So as a marketer, like you were saying that on Twitter you had posted, so you got 3,000 followers and 30 people joined your course, right? So
Yeah.
imagine in India if you knew that these are the people who require this course, and you sent, let's say you had a room size of 2,000 people for this course. So you approach these 2,000 people and you sold the course in one time only through email.
Mm.
You
Yes,
sent
sir.
2,000 email and you sold it. So the cost of marketing was very less, right?
Yeah.
But if you have to approach full India and if you do and you get hero and other stuffs and you do a
Mm-hmm.
commercial, Google ads and all running on Google ad and TV ads, so it will cost you more than 1 to 2 crores just for one ad and all for running and all.
Mm-hmm.
So and then you'll get 2,000 people.
Okay. Yeah.
So that is what is different in uh, digital marketing, because we know exactly what is the demographic, where people are there, what age group is there. So the
Yeah.
cost of spending is far less in digital marketing rather than just hitting on TV ads. Maybe people ad was running, people just did mute and all. People did
Yeah.
not see. We did
Mm-hmm.
magazine ads and maybe people just skipped that page. They didn't even see. So you have no information exactly what was working and what was not working. But in digital marketing, everything is known. Which are the people who saw, how many percentage of the people saw your full video,
Mm-hmm.
who are the people who visited your website, but maybe for 2 seconds and then they went off.
Yeah.
Who are the people who visited and people stayed for more than 5 seconds.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean,
So
like the
you have,
ads and everything that we
yeah,
see, they probably keep a record
yeah,
of it as well.
yes. So my point of view is that cost of spend is very less. So and
Yeah.
return on investment is very high. So
Yes, sir.
what is happening is that if you are using in such a way, so you're costly, you are very efficiently spending your resources. So you
Mm-hmm.
are able to generate a lot of funds also. That is the reason why a lot of you will see startups and things coming on digital platform for
Mm-hmm.
apps, website, and other stuff, because investment cost is very less and the return part is very high. So if you use it in very correct direction and everything, so it will work, right? So
Yes, sir.
have you ever created blog on blogger.com?
No, sir. Like I didn't create it. My dad used to write a blog, and he did it over there only. So I used
Now
to
you
read his
have to do
blog. I
everything.
never had a blog of my own.
Okay. So what you do is you create one blog right now.
Mm-hmm.
So that will
Okay.
be your homework to add pages and post and everything.
Okay. I create a blog like right now only, or should I start?
Right now only, because it will be, I'll be able to guide you. So maybe after, because there'll be a lot of homework, but at least you try to do it, because my point is that whenever you spend time, and because you're spending right now, and even you're spending resources also, so it is very important that you devote some time, extra time, so for that, for learning purpose. So what you do is you log out from this, because I think it is your dad's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now everything you have to do, not in your dad's, but in your email ID,
Okay.
because you'll be experimenting. Maybe it will not look good or not. So maybe
Mm-hmm.
what you do is you log out and you log in with some other email ID.
Okay. So I signed in from my own email ID.
Yeah.
Okay. What should I start with? I mean,
No, this actually this is your dad's one, I think.
okay. No, no. Like
So and that,
I changed the email ID. I took it to mine.
acha, this is yours. Okay. So you start with your technical courses only, because you are able to understand. I think that is better.
Okay.
So where you are looking, where are you, your courses held in Gurgaon or Delhi?
Sir, we use online platform only because uh, of COVID and everything. Because we started taking these classes. I
Online.
told you we started taking these classes 2, 3 months ago, and we use GoTo meetings only, like the platform that we are using right now.
Okay. And any other, like, where is your office exactly?
Sir, it's in a house only.
Acha, you're doing from home only. Great. Where you are located in Gurgaon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you'll be doing from home. ठीक है. Technical analysis. So you can write Delhi NCR, or you're getting from all over India.
All over India, sir.
Okay. So you can. Actually, whenever you're creating a name for your blog, it should be very small,
Mm-hmm.
because if somebody has to
That's what I
type
was
technical
thinking.
analysis of the stock market, so it will be very difficult. Maybe you forget the spelling. Oh, he doesn't know spelling of analysis, so he will not type. So, for example, if you see Google, Yahoo, they are very small, right?
Mm.
So, choosing the name for your blog, you have to do very small name. So maybe you can say like TASM. That is also good. Or maybe
Yeah.
technical stock. Okay. Take a short form only, I think. Or you can do
Oh,
stock market courses.
okay.
So did you make a lot of money in stock market?
Sir, I to just started, but since like
I don't
me and
know.
my father did the
Actually, by mistake, I had invested around 3 years back in
okay.
stock. So after COVID, everything was like half. I
Yeah.
had invested at, yeah, 8 to 9 lakhs, and it became like 4.5,
Oh, yeah. I
because
mean,
it
that's
I,
the
I had invested in banks like Federal Bank, and then this ICIC, and some other banks also.
yes, sir.
So yeah, so it became like half. So I think maybe banking industry suffered a loss lot. So
Yes, sir. But
but
now, like after the US elections and everything, like it's almost like everything is coming
yeah,
back to track. Yeah.
yeah. But one share I had invested in this Adani Groups
Yeah,
Enterprise.
Adani Port. It might be Adani Port or Adani Greens. Yeah, they have a
No,
lot.
I did it Adani Enterprise. I had done
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
enterprises. So that I had invested 40, so it became like 4,80,000.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it is very so that's why people do technical analysis course, because they're able to understand the stock market.
Yes, sir.
So reason I was telling you because now you should also get insights of the people exactly from the courses they are doing. So understand their behavior. So you're able to put almost similar blogs. So maybe person like me who had invested in banking. So
Mm-hmm.
if you write like this, that if you do these technical courses, you will benefit in the right direction for investment because banking sector is very risky.
Yes, sir. So
So if
we
yeah,
decided on taking these classes because it was a fact, like it came in the newspaper
uh,
and everything. Also, like after
mm,
the lockdown and COVID and
mm,
everything, we saw an increase of like 50 lakh people who started owning a demat account and started doing trading.
mm,
So
mm,
that was the market that we wanted to capture and, expand on. Because
yes,
those people want to learn technical analysis, they've just opened a new account and everything. So that was
yeah,
our target audience,
fine, good.
and we got,
So
yeah,
so these are the things which reason I was discussing. So you are able to understand exactly what has to go into that blog or something because that is a lifetime stuff. So whenever you are
yeah,
the display name will be your company's name.
okay.
Hmm.
Can I change it
Anyway,
now?
you can edit
Sorry?
then later. You can
Oh,
edit it in setting from setting now.
all right.
Hmm. Anyway, not a problem.
Yeah, I'll get back to it. Yeah.
Maybe, yeah, maybe whenever you get time. So now you see there are
So, yeah.
post section. Post section, there's a layout. Yeah, let's go one by one. So post section, you already know, I think, maybe to create post and all, right? Have you
Yeah,
create you create or your father creates in post?
sir, my dad only does it. Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, now you have to do. So what you do is this will be your homework. Create at least two posts. But whenever you're creating post, so you have to make sure that that is not a duplicate content from
Yeah.
any other's website and all. Because reason is that
Mm-hmm.
there are a lot of copyright laws and all. So what happens that whenever there is a copyright law, so you are not able to uh, copy their content and put. So you have to write on your own. So maybe you can
Oh,
see there. So
yeah.
uh, so know how to add pictures and all in this post. No.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, try in one page. Try try to create one post.
Actually, like half of my screen is blocked because of this presenting, like the
Doesn't
go-to
matter.
meeting.
You can
Yeah.
create. Doesn't matter. You put a title and all. What you do is you put your courses. I think that will be good. Course time or whatever you feel is easier for you to do right now.
Okay.
And what is your email ID?
For the um
So that I can send you some details
my
or you
personal
can send
email
me.
ID. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
ANI
ANI
RUDH
Anuruddh. Okay.
SINGH
Saying okay.
185
Okay.
@gmail.com.
Okay. I'll just send you one test email, okay? So whenever
Okay.
you have some information for the classes or something, you can send me a mail, right?
All right, sir.
I think your screen got disappeared.
Oh, okay. So 1 second.
Okay, sure.
Mm, no, it's showing I am the presenter. Is it not showing my
Acha?
screen?
No, not showing your screen.
I'll I'll unshare it and then share again.
Sure.
Okay, do you see it now?
Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay, what should I do right now?
Do you see the preview?
Yeah.
So it is coming like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, now you can publish it and at least try to create 2 pages. Write the content yourself and always, whenever you're making blogs, so at least have good images aligned,
Yeah, I mean,
title
I
and
like,
title and board. Right now you're doing very fast, right? So it is okay, but
yeah,
at least take some time so that because these work will be for lifelong. So at least
yeah.
once you add it, so you don't have to, maybe
Like
the
when I get
timing
back
will
to
change.
homework, it will be
Yeah,
much different than this, sir, for
yeah.
sure.
So that's why, yeah. So at least try to make 2 posts for the
Yeah,
blogger and try to make
yeah.
it very presentable. And so it will be for lifelong. So now you publish this. Yes.
I mean, I don't want to publish this. I know this is like a really rough work
Doesn't
that I've
matter.
done.
Doesn't matter. Actually, this is a rough. that's why I told you
Yeah.
to create another blogger. So it is not that one. So now your work will be you have to choose the domain name one,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So domain name you can buy from GoDaddy. You know GoDaddy?
Yes, sir. I've heard of it. I've seen a lot of advertisements
Okay.
also.
Okay. So you can purchase one domain name,
Okay.
and they will give you a trial of 1 month for
Okay.
free hosting. So
Mm-hmm.
take that free hosting also. So
Okay.
don't pay for that. In case if you feel you want to continue with them, so you can pay. Not a problem.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So this domain name you can book official one so that it is you can use it maybe later on also. So maybe your
Yes, sir.
business name or whatever, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that way
Mm.
you can create your own website also, so it will look good.
Mm-hmm.
So just publish this. After that we'll go back to that section. Right. Now you will see on the left there are stats. Uh,
Yeah.
so that is that is the stats basically all the people who have visited your blog, from which country they
Mm-hmm.
have come, and
Yes.
what was the duration, what exactly is there. So these things I will make you aware exactly your target audience, you know. So when you're running ads, you know exactly this thing working,
Yes, sir.
right? There's a comment section, maybe people will be commenting on your blog or something.
Mhm.
So you can,
Yes, sir.
it is very good uh, practice to reply them, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
if somebody is asking questions or maybe a question related to what is the timing
It
for the
gives a
class,
more,
or
it gives a more humanly touch to the entire affair.
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
So these things you can do. Plus there's a earning section, so that you can leave it. Uh, Actually, it is for ads. Or when
Mm.
Google will be placing ads on your website, on your blog.
Yeah, that
So
is like after
if
I
the
have
people,
like thousands of followers and everything.
yeah, when people will be clicking on
Sir, your voice is cracking.
blog
I can't hear
that
you
ads,
properly.
so you'll be getting money. But since your blog won't, okay, since your blog is now will be it will take time for making it popular, right?
Yes, sir.
You're able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to hear you now.
Okay, so it takes time. Yeah, it takes time to make the blog popular. So the money part will be very less. So I think it will be better to devote
Yes,
some
sir.
time on some other stuff also. Like there's a
Yeah.
pages also section, so you can create pages also. So what you do is you try to create at least 1 or 2 page also, like 2 pages about us, contact us page.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, and there's a layout where you can choose themes. Sorry, just click on that. So if you want to change the layout like header file or something like that, you want to add some
Mm.
gadgets on the left side, maybe
Okay.
any
Yeah.
gadget. So you can choose any, or maybe if you want to remove something, you can remove also, right?
Yes, sir.
So uh, now theme is there on the left side. So try to apply one theme, any theme. Now try to see your blog.
How do I get a preview of it again?
On the left side, there's a stock market courses, right? You have made a stock left side.
Yeah.
Uh, Click on that. On the bottom side, you'll see there's a view blog, last section.
Yeah.
It changed. So, uh, Like this, you can change the theme, or you can add pages on the left. It will come. So
Okay. Mm-hmm.
try to create one contact us page. Then you can see exactly what is happening in this. Anyway, publish it. Publish it. Now you see the blog or not? It's not coming. So anyway, change another theme where the pages are visible. Now just see the theme pages are there. In okay, customize, yeah. It's not coming. Anyway, left side, if you go left side, okay, advanced, yeah. Page text. Mm, is it right? On the top. Yeah. Show pages, yes. Now you go to that blog and just refresh on the right. Yeah.
It's still not there.
Just refresh it. Okay. So it's
I
not
did.
visible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this opened my dad's thing for some reason.
Acha. Everything is different actually. So
Yeah, I
yeah.
switched for some reason.
Go to the advanced section. Just see advanced. A page text is written right on the top.
Yeah.
What is it? Okay. No, you just press the back arrow. Back arrow. No, not this one. Not this one. In Blogger only left side. Yes. Okay.
That's only. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Now go to the widget section. Layout. In the layout left side. If you
Okay.
go in the bottom, yes. Yes. So add a gadget. Just see if some pages are there. Page display. Uh, yes. Display a list of standalone blog on your blog. Yes. On title you can write menu.
Sorry.
You can write MENU. Yeah. Add. So only contact. This guy. Yeah. Just tick on that contact us also. Yes. Now it has gone. Now save. Right. And now it is saved. Now you see view blog. It's coming on the top.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So you can adjust the position according to that. So you can, if you go to again to the widget, so you can just pull that and wherever you want to put, you can put that. If you go to the
Yes, sir.
blogger section again, go to yes from here. Now there's a you had put over here. There was a one gadget I think. Just do right from here you had added right about me menu. Just pull this menu and put it on the top. Search top right here on the right side. Yes, like this. Now you just it got save, I think. Just do bottom, saved. Now you see your blog by refreshing.
Nothing happened yet.
I think it needs save or something. First you remove this European Union, this notice. So at least you will have more space on the right side. Yes. Okay. Now you can pull that from the top to the page header. Just pull this menu. Yes, like this. थोड़ा सा और up कर लो, one more bottom, near the post maybe. Yeah, page body, just put in page body. Yeah, anyway, yes, yes. Okay. Now save is there. Save, yes. Now just refresh that again and just see.
Yeah, it's saving, sir.
Hmm. See,
Yes, sir. It's here now.
now it's here. So anyway, you can adjust later on to the correct place, right? So
Yes, sir.
you'll scroll down, yes, and on the top of the menu is there, no? Up on contact us and this.
Mhm.
So the point is that you are able to drag from this place to that place. So you are able to adjust according to your needs, right? So if you
Yes, sir.
want on the left side, so you can drag it to the left sidebar, or if you want some other, maybe in the footer, you can add in the footer also. So you can add anywhere according to your needs, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I have done is I've just emailed you that all the homework, like you have to find top search engine, top 9 keywords for technical courses. So
Yes,
on
sir.
the email ID, Anirudh Singh 185 at the Gmail. Just see if you have received it.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Okay. So in that you just click that. So it's written top search engine. You try to find top search engine, top 9 keywords for technical courses. Use top 9 technical for technical course in top search engine and see the result. What is the different? Maybe some company's website will come in the first number on Yahoo, but on Google you will see some other company will be on the number one. So you just
Yes.
try to see top five companies. So what you do is you make an Excel sheet,
Okay.
or you make a slide. Make a slide.
Okay.
So top search engine you just name Bing, Yahoo. So it will be for your lifetime available to you.
Yes,
So
sir.
after you complete, you can send me the slide, right? So I can just
Yes.
have a look. So and the top 9 keywords for technical course, you can just put a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Then use the top 9 keywords for in different search engines. So you can put heading like UK. Then you just put the screenshot. Then you put USA, put a screenshot for top 5. Then for India, you put like that. So in that way, you learn that different region wise, different rankings are there, right? So what we
Yes.
will do is that maybe later on we will learn exactly how to rank in UK, not in India, but UK. So like that, different. Then uh, try to find at least 9 different countries where with different like google.co.uk, google.com, and for Australia and for UAE and other countries. So at least 9 countries. And try to post very nicely with images and everything. And you purchase one domain name from GoDaddy that will cost
Yes.
you around 400 to 500 rupees. So you can just
Yeah.
purchase and take a free hosting also. So this is your homework, right?
All right, sir.
So you try to finish this. So how you felt today? Learned?
Yeah, I mean, it was a good learning experience as well. Like right now, it just
Great.
starts. So I'm
So
excited because
anything, if you're not able to understand or something, if you're not able to understand or you feel that you want to specialize in that, so you can
no.
always, that's why I'll give you exposure to everything, like
Yes, sir.
SEO, on page, off page, social media, email marketing, and other stuff. So whatever you
Mm.
feel you want to focus on, you can tell me so I can just put emphasis on that. So this is the first thing. Second, you can note down my WhatsApp number.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So in that way, if you have any issues, any problems, maybe later on you're not able to understand, you can WhatsApp me. So
Okay.
whenever I get time, I will surely respond you as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
And you can ping me on my WhatsApp. So what I'll do is I'll just save your number. So I'll be having.
Yes,
My
sir.
number is 858
858
78
78
244
244
53.
53. 858 782 4453.
Yeah.
All right.
So you can just save my number, right? And
Yes.
this is a very long list of homework, but reason I gave you homework because at least you have to spend 2 to 3 hours
Yeah. Yes, sir.
for this homework. So at least you will get familiar because there's no point in teaching and but when you're doing homework, so you'll be having difficulty, you'll be having thought process. So that is very
Yes.
important because after some time you will be the presenter, so you will be giving presentation for all these 7 points exactly how you did. So in that way
Okay.
you'll learn more because
Yeah.
rather than me teaching and rather than you teaching me, so that will be much better because you will be learning also.
Yes, sir.
So at least the time will be utilized. So uh, try your best to do these homework as possible, right? So tomorrow, for example, maybe around 10 o'clock or 10:30, you're being there's some problem in the timing or something. So you can always ping me. So this will be my timing, right? So we can
All right.
adjust according to it. So that is not a
Yes.
problem. So even if I have some issue like half an hour, 1 hour, I need to change the timing. So I can just ping you. So whatever time
Yes.
will match, we can do it. So it is not a compulsory that you have to do in the morning only. Maybe evening time if you're free. So evening also we can adjust. But at present, let's for 1 or 2 days, let's keep the same timing. Then we
Yes,
can.
sir.
So whenever you have any issue, you can always WhatsApp me the timing issues and all. Then we can just adjust accordingly.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sure. ठीक है, then let's keep it today for this much only, right?
All right, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
sure. Thank
I
you.
wanted
Yeah,
to ask you,
yeah.
you were saying that like this homework, whenever I'm doing it for the PPT, I should take a screenshot of like what I'm searching and then put it on the PPT.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So like, does that have to be visually pleasing, or is it just to tell you that how I did what I did, or how?
Just to tell me how you did and all. So if
Okay.
you will make pleasing, it will be good for you only because you'll be keeping for the future because
Yeah,
whenever
I
you try
get
for
that.
the reference. Yeah,
Understandable to you as well, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So anyway, it doesn't have to be so pleasing or something. You can just do as per your time and as per your requirement, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to just take a screenshot, just keep. So when we'll be meeting next time tomorrow. So what we'll do is we'll open that slide. Then you will show me exactly what you found. Then we can
Okay.
explain that. We can dig little deeper. So I don't
Yes.
think so. Or it will take much time in taking screenshot.
Yes.
Hardly around 1.5 hours or maybe an hour or something. So you can do.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
on the top of the slide, you just write the digital marketing courses, put your name on it,
All right.
so that it
Yes.
looks little good also. Sure,
All right.
sure. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. See you. Talk to you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Bye. Bye. Bye.